Okay, today we'll start in statistics. Our lesson for today is scatter plots. Our objective is to interpret and make scatter plots of bivariate data. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. In your textbook page 331, we have here the meaning of bivariate data. Bivariate data show the relationship between two variables, and a scatter plot is a graph that displays bivariate data as ordered pairs. In the first example we have here scatter plot, and on this graph tell what the ordered pair 150 1100 represents. Okay, we have here an ordered pair. We have a point here. Each ordered pair is represented by a point in the graph. We have the point in this place, and the question, what's the meaning of this point? What's the meaning of this ordered pair? Okay. Okay, in the scatter plot, each point in each ordered pair represent the number of tickets sold as the x coordinate, the horizontal, and the amount of money collected in dollars as the vertical coordinate or the y coordinate. So we have here 150 and 1100. So 150 is the number of tickets, and 1100 is the amount of money in dollars collected. Okay, now let's move to the workbook. Open your workbooks, page 96. Okay, now who can tell me what's the meaning of scattered plot? Yes, Saud. Use your mic.
It is a graph that displays bivariate data.
It's a graph
That displays bivariate data as ordered pairs.
Great. So it's a graph that displays bivariate data in the form of ordered pairs. Great. And what's the meaning of bivariate data? What bivariate data shows? No one? Relationship between what? Between two variables. It's bivariate. So we have two variables. Okay. Okay, let's solve this example together. I want someone to help me and tell me what the point the ordered pair 4 and 1500 represent. If you have answer, use your tell me first in the
The
chat.
4 represents years.
This is Mujtaba.
Yes, the 4 represents years employed, and 1,500 represents raised.
So the x coordinate is the years employed and the y coordinate is the raise in dollars.
Yeah.
And of course now 4 represents, as you said, years a worker has been employed, and 1500 represents amount of raise in dollars. Thank you, Mujtaba. Excellent. Okay, guys, now it's your turn to solve the quick check. This one, you have 1 minute. Don't write answers in the chat now. I'll pick one of you to give the answer. Okay, Abdullah. Who is Abdullah? Is this Muhammad Abdul Baqi? Who is Abdullah Abdul Baqi? Saad, please mute your mic. Okay, guys, who can help me first with the point the ordered pair 350 and 2275? Ahmed Gannas, use your mic. Okay, Ahmed.
Yes, Mr.
Okay,
So 350 represents the ticket sold,
great. And
and
2275?
2275 represents the money collected at soccer
Excellent.
games.
So 350 is the tickets sold, the number of tickets, and the money collected is 2275. Thank you, Ahmed. Okay, guys, how many tickets were sold when the amount of money collected was 2700? No, I want someone else. Mustafa, you solved before. Anyone else? Anyone else have the answer?
Can I answer again?
No, I want someone who didn't answer. Faisal, okay? Faisal, can you use your mic? Okay, Faisal said that it's 400. I want someone who has a mic to tell me the reason.
Me, Mr.
I want someone else, Ahmed. Anyone?
Me, Mr.
Muhammad Abdul Baqi?
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad, give me the answer and the reason.
The answer is 415 because 2,275 tickets divided by 350 will equal 6.5.
Divided?
Yes.
No, we are not going to do division here. We have a graph. We have a scatter plot. We have a point. related with this number. This is dollars, so this is money. 2700 is this point. Can you see this point?
Yes.
So this point here, it's in the money vertically 2700. What's the value on the horizontal line, the x-axis?
The value on the x-axis is 2,700.
No. In y-axis is in the money is
It is 450.
again 450. Great. So the number of tickets is 450. Okay. Thank you, Muhammad. Great work. Okay, guys. Now, this time you should do by yourselves. So I want you now to focus. What we are going to do now, at first, use horizontal scale to show the gallons of gas used, and the vertical to represent what? To represent the number of miles. Okay? And start to represent point by point. Plot first the point 5 and 150. 5 and go up to 150 and plot the point. And so on for 112 and so on. Okay, guys? Okay, be quick. Your graph should be like this. Okay, guys? 1 minute. You have 1 minute. Anyone have a problem? Okay. Yes.
Can you say the task again?
The task?
What's in?
So you are going to plot each point. The first point 5 and 150. 5 gallons and go up 150 and plot the point. Okay? After that for 112. 7 to 117. 7 and go up to 217. Okay? Till you finish. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys. Now you will do the same. Do it, and I will show you the answer after 2 minutes. Okay, guys. Do it. Plot point by point, one by one. Start 115, so start 1 and go up to 15, and so on. Okay, you have 2 minutes. Okay, guys. Who finished? Let me know in the chat if you have finished. Great work, Abdullah. Good, Mustafa, Ibrahim. Ibrahim, what's 450? Great, Mu'adh. Ibrahim, what's the meaning of 450? Okay, you might have a problem. Okay. Great, Murtada. Okay, guys, I will show you the scatter plot. Your scatter plot should be the same as this one. Okay, Ibrahim, no problem. Good, okay. Good, Ibrahim, good work. Okay, everyone, check your scatter plot. If it's the same as this one, so it's correct. Great, Mustafa. Okay, guys. Now we'll continue with the workbook, but in page. Anyone wants this yet? Can I move to the next slide? Anyone need this? Okay, let's move to page 271. And you have 1 minute to solve question 1 and question 2. Yes, Muhammad, page 271.
I finished.
You have finished this page? Question 1 and 2?
Yes.
Okay, Ahmad. Wait a minute. Okay, I will choose someone to help me in the first one. Abdul Majid Farhuda. Abdul Majid, can you use your mic? Abdul Majid. Okay, I have here Ali bin Saad. You can use your mic, I see. Right? Ali? Ali, can you hear me? Bin Saad? No? Abdullah, you did share before, right? I want someone who didn't share. Okay, anyone who didn't share today want to share? You didn't? Okay, Abdullah, use your mic.
What does the point 12 and 40 represent? The 12 represents the day rented.
Great.
and 40 represent daily rates, and both of them represent daily rate people paid for cars rental in a city.
Great. So as you can see in this scatter plot, if you take more days, the rent will be lower. The daily rate will be lower. Okay. Okay. In the next, I want someone else. Okay, Ahmed Wael.
Yes, Mr.
Yes. Okay.
7 days represents seven. It represents days job.
Great.
And, 10 represent total miles.
Great. So the runner jogged a total of 10 miles. 10 miles in 7 days. Okay. Great. Okay. The next question, you're going to draw. Plot a scatter, make a scatter plot for each set of data. Okay guys, I think you can do this. Try to be quick. I'm waiting. I'll show you the answer after 2 minutes. When you finish question 4 and 3, question 3 and 4, let me know in the chat. Okay guys, I will show you now. This is 3. Check your answer. If you have the same shape, of course, you're correct. And number 4. If you have any problem, ask me. Let's move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
At
sir.
the second one,
Number 4.
there is points. Yes, there is points on 40. Where?
10. The response
Huh?
what?
40 and 40. Then 40 for hours. An hour.
40.
No, down in the scale.
Here we have a point in 40.
Yes, where is the point?
Okay, let's check. 20 and 60. Yes, 15. Okay. 30. Okay, so this one may be wrong. 40. I don't have 40 in the hours. Right, you're right. You're correct. 35. 90. Correct. Yes, so there is no point in 40. You're correct. Okay, let's move to the next question. 5 and 6 are the same. Finish them. After 2 minutes I will show you the answer to check your scatter plot. Okay, Mustafa, you have finished all, right?
Yes.
Great work. Okay guys, I know that this may be easy for you, but I want you to do it by yourself. I want you to use the graph, because we are going to continue later in the next questions, in the next lessons, with the same idea. We're going to use the scatter plot. So I want you to know how to draw, how to plot, and how to interpret, how to understand the meaning of each point in the graph. This is very important part for us. Okay, I know that this session is easy for you, but it's important to us. It's important to understand the next. The first one, your graph should be like this. And question number 6, the last question, the graph should be like this. Okay guys, now anyone have any question? If you have a question, ask. If you don't have, you can leave. That's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you, Mr.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
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 Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Is there an assignment?
Yes, on Classera.
Okay, Mr. Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.